What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I just wanted to show you guys this proof set that I had. 1964 proof set from the U.S. Mint Treasury Department. And I wanted to ask you guys if you had any of these. Well, if you do, these are selling for some really good money on eBay. Check out these listings. Alright guys, these are actually a really good collection set and a very good conversation piece. If you collect proof sets or if you collect any of the special mint sets, these are really good to pass down through the generations. And I'm so glad that I have a few of them, and I'm going to try and build up my collection. I think you guys should too. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.